Hey there, welcome back guys. In this video we're going to be showing you how to update your DJI mic from your phone. If you have an iPhone, this will work on the iPhone. Should work on any other device. I was actually recording over the weekend and could not for the life of me update the mic since it was getting glitchy. It wasn't syncing to the camera and thankfully I had another mic handy, so I was just able to press record and pick up where I left off. So anyway, without any further ado, let's get started. So what you're going to need here is your cable right here. You have a USB-C data cable. Works really well. Make sure we're connected. And you're going to make sure the mic is off. Okay, so your mic is off. And you're going to plug it in. Okay, like that. And then you're going to also go to the link in the description down below. Okay, and we'll go here. Plug it in there. And so it should appear in your browser. It's a GitHub repository. You're going to download the zip file. So there it is right there. And you're just going to select it. And then once you select it, right, you're just going to go right here, download. Okay. And download. It's a zip file. Since it's raw data, the bin file could get corrupted or not download properly. Okay. So once that happens, as you can see, hopefully this won't happen. See, just slide that over again to bring things back to normal. All right, so knowing that and moving forward, what we're going to do is, now that we know it downloaded, we'll just quit that and just swipe down on your I was going to say Macintosh, but on your iPhone, and type in F, files should appear. If not, just type out files and then go to downloads. As you can see, it's a zip file. So I just select it once and see, it'll self-extract. All right. And there it is. Now, if you can't see the name of the file, you could tilt the phone into landscape mode and the file should show. As you can see, things get a little bit glitchy here since it doesn't know what's happening. So if not, just press it and then you'll see the name TX, okay? So just hold it, tap it, right, until the menu appears. So you'll see it like that. Just like press it the way I am, see, and then a new menu appears. And then you're going to press, actually, since it kind of got glitchy over there. See, the new menu appeared. And now what we're going to do is we are going to copy it. Just select copy. And then go back to the directory. We'll just say no name. The no name is basically the name of this thing right here, the microphone, the TX. And we don't see it. And it's off. So sometimes you have to take the cable and just switch it around like that. Some USB-C cables operate that way, and it should appear. See, there it is. And then there's nothing in there. So you're going to tap on it, the screen again, hold down, and then select paste. And there it is. Okay, so now you can plug it out. We're going to take it out like this. Make sure it's off. Hold it like that. This way you don't accidentally hit the record button. All right, so now we're here like this, because if you do, then you have to do it again. So now we're just going to go here and press here on the power button. Now it's going to turn on. It's going to start flashing. I believe on the 9th flash, right, or 8th or 7th, it'll turn red. And once it turns red, it means that the firmware actually updated. See, there you go. Voila. So the firmware actually took and it updated. It's the same procedure for the other one. So as you can see, it's done. That's it. And the way we know it's done is if we plug it back in and it's empty. If it's empty, then we know that the firmware update took. So we're going to shut it off. Okay. And then go back here, type in F, or it should be in your previous directories, and then we'll browse back and no name, and it's empty, which means that the firmware actually updated. So knowing that, moving forward, you can do the RX. RX works the same way. Again, make sure it's off. You might get an error, but it'll still update. So we go here. Okay. And then we're just going to browse back to the directory, which is the downloads right there. See, and of course it's that one. Just select it so you can see the name appear, or just put it into portrait mode. So we know that that's it. And now we're just going to go here, select it, and then copy, go back, and browse back to the no name directory, and then hold your finger down, select paste, and it'll go in. And as you can see here, so what we'll do is, well, we can't pull it out just yet. Wait for it to copy over. And once it copies over, as you saw it just did, but the screen just basically glitched out again. All right, let's see what we have here. Welcome back to everything that glitches. All right, so then it's there. So now what you're going to do is you're just going to pull it out, right? Because there's no eject button. Updating, see? RX update, this is a restart. Okay, it's failed, but it should have taken. And you know how we know it failed? See, it's restarting. We're going to turn it on. And then you can just check the firmware. So if we go here, I believe into settings, and then scroll all the way down to info, and there it is. See, 04040513. Okay, and it would say the same thing with the other ones if the transmitters are connected. And then also the other way to tell is if you plug it in, right, and we go back to the directory, right, scroll over here. Of course, you have to shut it off, okay, and go back into the no name, and it's empty. So we know that it updated. And that's how you can, even if you do it from your computer, that's the only way to know. And now we can pull it out, and that's it. And if you weren't happy with that error that appeared, you could always wait till you get back home and do it from your machine. But this guaranteed no error. And that's pretty much it. That's how you update it on the fly with your iPhone. You know, until you get back, or you can put in a support ticket with DJI. Anyway, if you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below, or ideas for other videos. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.